graduated with an MD in Ayurveda. He has been a pioneer in his field for the last 20 years. Yes, 20 years. And has been with our company since 2017. Backed by his limitless knowledge, illustrated by his endless number of articles published about Ayurveda and natural wellness, Doctor has been kind enough to be here with us today for this Know Your Product session. It will be a great learning opportunity for you, and I hope you will take a lot of learnings from this session. So, without waiting further, I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. Balu Kolar in the name of the company and in the name of all of us here today to this session. Please, sir, welcome to the screen.
Thank you very much, Ms. Baisakhi, for that wonderful introduction. I hope my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay, fine. So let me start sharing my screen now. So please let me know if the screen is visible. Okay, is the screen visible, Ms. Baisakhi? Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, my voice is clear, right?
Sir, can you be a bit louder, please? A bit louder.
Is it clear now?
Yes, fine. Perfect.
Okay, fine. So welcome to all the enthusiastic Vivites who are watching this Know Your Product session, KYP, which is English now. So I'll be talking in Telugu by evening 5 p.m. again. So very warm welcome to everyone who's watching this. See, this KYP session is all about our wonderful products. This was on these products. Well, friends, as you all know that Indus Viva has 4 important wellness products right now: iCoffee, iGlow, iPulse, and iSlim. Well, we don't have iCharge in the shelf right now because most of the people have asked this question before as well, that iCharge is out of the shelf. The reason for it is pretty simple. Due to COVID situations, it is quite difficult for us, in fact, to import some of the materials from outside. And there are a lot of regulatory restrictions that the department has imposed, because of which iCharge is taken out of the shelf. This is what is exactly the scenario right now. Well, as you all know that, so these are the 4 important wellness products that are actually there with us right now. So going on to the next slide, I hope with this, I hope my voice is clear, Ms. Baisakhi. Again, I'm just asking you just before I start the presentation.
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
Is it audible? It is loud, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much for that. Okay. So the first and the foremost thing, I mean, this Zamana, as I call this era of 2020, is actually called as a Corona Zamana. So this Zamana is always associated with something called as immunity. Immunity is one thing that each and every human being should have. But this point of time, when you look into the media or elsewhere, in the print media or in the electronic media these days, immunity is actually shown as some kind of an advertisement or a hype or whatever you call it as. But I'd like to tell you one thing, my dear friends. Immunity is holistic in nature. In the sense, each and every cell of your body should have immunity. It is not only one organ or one tissue or one system. So only when your lungs are said to have immunity, it doesn't mean that your whole body has immunity. No. Each and every cell of your body from head till the toe should have immunity. That is exactly called as immunity as per the medicine. But whatever we are seeing right now in the external world, people are exhausting this word, exploiting this word immunity most of the times, which is quite irrelevant actually. But immunity does matter when it applies to each and every cell of the body. Well, there are no medicines available on this planet so far as providing the immunity to each and every cell of your body. But it can happen by the use of these products. When the wellness products are actually used on a constant basis, on a regular basis, routine basis, automatically the immunity tends to develop inside the human body. That is, each every cell of the body will have that perfect immunity so that the body will have the resistance and can fight against all kinds of dreadful virus as well as bacteria, even in the future years and months and years to come. This is how the immunity is actually defined as per the modern science. So, as this slide says that wellness and immunity are related to each other. So, heard about herd immunity. See, herd immunity and vaccines, these are, taking a race these days. We don't know when the vaccine is going to come. So, there are a bit of advertisements or even the articles which are appearing on the print media or electronic media stating that vaccines are going to come in near future. But we don't know when it is going to come over and what are the other side effects of the vaccines as well. We don't know all these things. But remember, viruses always need us for their survival. This is very important. Without a human body, the viruses will not be able to survive. It might be a coronavirus, it might be whatever, the virus which comes out tomorrow. We don't know. So they require the human body for their survival. So at the same point of time, when you keep your human body upright, when the human body is kept, the immunity is kept upright and the resistance of the human body is kept upright, automatically the body will not suffer from any kind of a dreadful viral disease even in the future. So in order to protect the human body, it is always important for us to uplift the immunity. That is what we are exactly doing with the help of Indus Viva's wellness products. That is where our products play a very important role. This is what is exactly called as herd immunity. I'll tell you what herd immunity in this slide now. Herd immunity is also called as social immunity or community immunity. This is what is called as herd immunity. See, herd immunity is one thing that people have to understand. It can come by three important ways. The first thing is whenever a vaccine or a medicine is discovered, when a person uses the vaccine or a medicine, that can cause the herd immunity. The second thing, whenever an individual constantly uses the immune boosting supplements, automatically the herd immunity is going to come to him or her. The third thing, which should not happen to anybody, whenever a person becomes positive to virus, then takes the treatment and becomes negative, he or she will develop antibodies inside the body, and then they develop the immunity against the disease. You might be knowing this point. This is nothing new to India actually. Everybody once or twice in their lifetime, so probably would have suffered from chickenpox, the small dots which appear on the skin. In fact, there is a documentation in the medical science that once the person gets the chickenpox, the second time it is not going to come because the body would have developed the antibodies inside so that the body will recognize the chickenpox virus the second time and the body will not suffer from the disease again. But we don't know. So all these things are theories. But these days, the replication of the viruses are different. The new diseases are coming out. That is why we call them as novel diseases. That is the reason why we don't know how many number of novel diseases are going to creep up in the future. So in order to protect the human body against these novel or new diseases, it is always important for us to protect our human bodies with immune boosting supplements. And that is where the Indus Viva products are there for you. Each and every Indus Viva product is nothing but an immune boosting supplement, which contains a lot of ingredients, which has this immune boosting capabilities as well. This is where the concept of herd immunity comes out. So coming to the next slide, my dear friends, wellness is your birthright and you shall have it. This is very important. So wellness is your birthright. Health is your birthright and you should definitely have it. So we should not compromise when it comes to the health. We can compromise anything on this planet right now in today's scenario, but we cannot compromise on our health. That is where we have reached today. That is the reason why if you don't want to compromise anything on your health, it is always better to start with immune boosting supplements today itself. So why I'm telling you this is it is not only for the part of coronavirus. We don't know in future how many viruses are going to come to the world. In order to protect against all these viruses, your body has to be resistant. The resistance have to be developed so that the body can fight against all these dreadful viruses in the future. This is what is exactly going to happen with the help of immune boosting supplements. Whenever a person starts using the immune boosting supplements, automatically it can be, it can result in the protection of the human body against all kinds of dreadful viral diseases. So as you can see, this is a wellness basket concept, what I'm trying to propose here, wherein you find all the 4 important Indus Viva products. I would also like to tell you that we are coming with more and more new products in near future. New products for new segments. So these things are going to happen in a very, very, near future. So the basket will be full for you people to constantly promote the wellness products in the market in different segments. That is what I am trying to tell you actually. So some new segments. It is not the same old segments. These are new segments which will come out. See what exactly? The immune boosting capabilities. Each and every product has an ingredient, one or two ingredients, which I'm going to tell you when I'm telling about the products. So these ingredients will have the immune boosting capabilities. That is the reason why all the Indus Viva products, even now they are called as the front line immune boosting supplements. These are also called as the dietary supplements or the front line immune boosting supplements. This is how we call them as. Going ahead, friends. So what is the importance of wellness entrepreneurship? Where do we position our product? So these are some of the awareness points that everyone needs to know about. These are not the fear, creating points. These are the awareness creating points. 1 in 5 adults have high blood pressure and are unaware of it. It's a very, very complicated condition in India. So 5 people are there. 1 person is definitely having the high blood pressure condition. But it is very difficult for them to go to a doctor and check it up because the fear is there inside. Suppose if I have a blood pressure, what will happen to me tomorrow? Will I suffer a heart attack? Will I have a pancreatitis problem? Who knows? This is a kind of fear psychosis that the people have developed in India. But we should consider this as an awareness for marketing and promoting our Indus Viva's products. Because 1 in 5 people have high blood pressure. It's a very, very chronic condition, my dear friends. We have very good products to combat the blood pressure. 60% of the people have 1 or more chronic conditions that are mostly preventable. More than 60% of people in India have a kind of a chronic disease inside their body which they don't know. For example, a kidney disease or a cancer or even a diabetes for that matter. There is no reason for these things. Anybody can get this any time in their life. This can happen. So that is the reason why you can prevent such chronic diseases by the use of Indus Viva's wellness supplements. This is how you need to promote the products in the market. So that the people will understand how exactly the wellness products are positioned. Likewise, 90% of the people are not aware that they are pre-diabetic. This is very important. India is actually called as the diabetic capital of the world. It is not, some kind of a good thing what I'm trying to tell, but it is a very bad thing that it is a diabetic capital of the world. So nearly 90% of the people in India do not know that they are pre-diabetic. See, diabetes is one part of it. The first stage of diabetes is called as pre-diabetes. This is where the whole problem is. People normally neglect this pre-diabetes stage. By neglecting this, most of them are ending up with type 2 diabetes. This is where the whole issue is. We have to position our iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black for the pre-diabetes conditions so that the person will not enter into type 2 diabetes. This is why it is called as a preventive product, my dear friends. This is why it is called as a preventive product. Likewise, 90% of the people do not know that they are in early stages of kidney disease. Very, very important. Kidney diseases, previously people used to tell that because of the intake of BP medications or because of any ecosprin or statins, using of such drugs will cause the kidney issues. But nowadays, your food is the main culprit. Our diet is not proper. We are using a lot of contaminated food these days, because of which we are having a lot of kidney issues. This can also happen because of our diet and lifestyle. That is the reason why 90% of Indians do not know that they are in early stages of kidney disease. This is very, very dangerous. See, look at this slide. This is where you have to grossly position the products of Indus Viva for promotion with the people outside, because they should understand how wellness products can be effective preventive products in the market. I hope the point is clear to you all. Going ahead, friends, again, I'm trying to derive the same thing from the previous slide now. What is the scope of wellness? The first and the foremost thing is heart disease. Very important. We don't know what is the reason for heart disease even today. There are a lot of reasons of heart disease, which I'll tell you when I speak about iPulse. But heart disease, we don't know the exact reason. Anybody can get a heart disease today. So previously there was a saying that only after 60 years of age, the heart problems will start. Now, even at 20 years of age, the heart problems are starting. We don't know what the exact reason is. But most of the doctors are telling that the main reason would be diet and lifestyle. This is where the whole issue is right now. Cancer. Nobody knows what the reason is even today. Even the medical textbooks do not know what the reason is. Anybody can get the cancer. Diabetes. As I told you, India is the diabetic capital of the world. Well, you can definitely prevent diabetes, my dear friends. Once it's affected with the human body, it is very difficult for the diabetes to go out. That is the reason why it is our duty as wellness people to promote wellness so that we can protect the people from entering into type 2 diabetes. This is what we can do. The fourth point is stroke. Very, very important. Even people do not know why they are suffering from stroke even today. Previously, there was a condition where people had high blood pressure and they were suffering from stroke. There are a lot of reasons today actually, because the major point here is stress. Whenever a person is stressed out, that is one of the major reasons for stroke again, the paralysis stroke. That is the reason why I am trying to tell you, these things can be prevented initially. Whenever the wellness supplements are taken on a regular basis, these kinds of problems can be effectively prevented and the human body can be protected. Respiratory problems again, very, very important, because the modernized age, what we are in right now, we are exposed to a lot of pollution these days. Not only this, a lot of pollution. It is not only the air pollution, it is water pollution and whatnot. Such things can cause a lot of respiratory issues. And you all know that during this particular Corona Zamana right now, the respiratory problems are really playing its part. That is how doctors are diagnosing, because this particular virus is actually infecting the lungs of a person and finally resulting in pneumonia. That is the reason why respiratory problems, even in the future ages, can have a lot of problems. Protection against the pandemics. As I told you, friends, today we have the coronavirus. Tomorrow we don't know what is going to come. That is the reason why our main importance is to protect our human bodies by the use of wellness supplements, so that even in the future, your immunity is kept upright, the body will have the best of the best resistance, and automatically you will not suffer from any kind of a dreadful infection in the future. This is what is the scope of wellness. Going ahead, friends, the World Health Organization gives the definition of health in this way. Health is a state of physical, mental, social, financial, spiritual well-being. Well, as you all know that health is not only confined to physical health. If you are physically healthy, but if your mental health is off, then probably you are not called a healthy person. So you should be physically healthy, you should be mentally healthy, you should be socially healthy, you should be financially healthy, you should be spiritually healthy. This is what is exactly called as health. So this is what World Health Organization has given a definition very long back. In fact, the ancient textbooks of Ayurveda also emphasizes on this point, as the health is nothing but physical health. It is also encompassing the different areas of health. So with the use of Indus Viva's supplements, you can definitely get all these kinds of health. It is not only the physical health, you will get the best mental health, the best social health, of course, the best financial health as well. This is how the health is actually categorized, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you. So going ahead, what is the objective of wellness? So let food be the medicine and medicine be the food. The Hippocrates, who was called as the father of modern medicine, he says that let food be the medicine. So whenever someone's food is very good, automatically they don't require any medicines to be used. But unfortunately, at this point of time, our food, our diet is not proper. We are not getting the best of the best organic diet. We are not using the vegetables, which is 100% natural. We are not using the fruits, which are not hybrid in nature. All such things are there. So our food is contaminated, because of which we are suffering from a lot of diseases and disorders. That is the reason why Hippocrates has clearly told that let food be the medicine and medicine be the food. So this principle holds good even today. That is the reason why we are proposing and promoting the Indus Viva's wellness products along with your diet, so that even if your diet is improper, the dietary supplements of Indus Viva will help you out in getting the best of the best nutrition as well as health benefits to the human body. This is what the Indus Viva products are positioned for, my dear friends. Going ahead, our products have a lot of scientific validation. In fact, the Indus Viva products are called as advanced Ayurveda products, which means that the traditional Ayurveda, which is validated by modern science and technology, this is called as advanced Ayurveda. In fact, the first part of it is called as the clinical trials. Clinical trials, these are the scientific investigations. Already the first phase of clinical trials have been completed in the company. Now the second phase of clinical trials is actually happening in the major hospitals. Clinical trials are basically important for three important things. One is to establish the safety of the product. Second is to establish the efficacy of the product. The third is to establish the proof of concept. Safety is, for example, if you are consuming iPulse, the product has to be safe to the human body. Second thing is efficacy. Whenever you are consuming iPulse, it has to give you a lot of health benefits. Third thing, whenever the product is giving you the health benefits and safety, we have to have a publication on the product. We have to publish the article so that each and every one of you and even the doctors outside read the product, read about the trial, read about the product and understand this is how the wellness products are acting inside the human body. This is what is exactly called the importance of clinical trial. So whatever is told verbally, when it is when it is coming on a white paper, that has a real value. This is called as the publication or the proof of concept. So this is what is the importance of clinical trials. In fact, the second phase of clinical trials is on right now. We are doing our clinical trials in the major hospitals across India. So the first and the foremost major hospital that we are doing our trial is called as the Narayana Hrudayalaya, which is nothing but one of the best cardiac centers that we have. So in India. So it is also recognized by the Clinical Trial Registry of India, CTRI, in almost all the trials, in fact. So we are also doing the trials at the Dr. Ambedkar Medical College, KIMS, Bangalore Medical College, Oxford Medical College. These are some of the places in Bangalore. We also are doing the trials in JIPMER, which is in Pondicherry, RIMS in Andhra Pradesh. So these are some of the areas where we have selected the sites for these clinical trials, and the second phase of clinical trials is happening out there. In fact, all the clinical trials of the product are registered with the Clinical Trial Registry of India or CTRI. This is what is the most important thing. The CTRI comes under the department of ICMR, which is Indian Council of Medical Research. You might be listening to all these words these days. During the coronavirus period, even when you switch on a news channel, they'll be talking about ICMR. They'll be talking about CTRI. So these are the organization, my dear friends, where even our products are going to get registered in near future. So when we announce this, you can directly go into the ICMR or the CTRI websites. Then you can find out the information on our wonderful wellness products, my dear friends. This is how exactly this particular things are going to work out. So not only this, Indus Viva has a lot of certifications as well. So basically there are 4 important certifications that people have to know for watching me right now. So Indus Viva has the Halal certificate, first of all. See, Indus Viva is no longer a local company. It is a global company today. We have operations spreading across the globe. So whenever Indus Viva is spreading global, these certifications play a very important role. Not only in India, it is for global as well. So suppose if Indus Viva is opening a branch in Africa or Middle Eastern countries for that matter, Halal certification is very much required. So we have the Halal certificate. We also have the kosher certification. As you all know that Indus Viva has successfully launched Indus Viva INC in the US, where we have launched our wonderful product iVed. So for launching this product iVed in the US, we require the kosher certification. We have the kosher certification with us. So suppose if you are interested to learn more about iVed, I'll be coming live every Friday night at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which will be around about 11:30 a.m. in the morning in the United States of America. So this is how iVed can be, the knowledge about iVed can be enhanced. So people who are interested can log on to Facebook, our Indus Viva's INC Facebook page. You might be knowing there are 2 Facebook pages. One is Indus Viva /Vibrant Viva. The second is Indus Viva INC. Please like and subscribe to the page. Every Friday night at 10 p.m. I'll be coming live speaking about our wonderful product iVed to the US distributors as well. Indian distributors can also join them. So the third certification that we have is ISO 9001:2018. So now the 2015 is getting revised. Because of this COVID-19 lockdown situation, the process is a bit delayed, but still 2015 holds good, my dear friends. So don't have to worry about it. 2015 still holds good because of the lockdown period right now. So ISO certification is normally given for maintaining the quality of the company as well as the products. That is the reason why Indus Viva is called as an ISO rated company. So which means that we have the ISO 9001 for the office as well as ISO 22001 for the factory as well. So the fourth important certification that we have is called as GMP or the Good Manufacturing Practices. This is because Indus Viva manufactures its own products. We have our own manufacturing facility. We don't outsource it anywhere. We have our own factory in Bangalore. We manufacture our products. At the same point of time, we market our products also. I hope the point is clear to you. So this is called as a good manufacturing practices certification. So suppose if someone is interested to get these certifications, we are happy to help out. Please reach us out on doctor@indusviva.com, doctor@indusviva.com, and ask for these 4 certifications. We will be happy to mail you these certifications. The PDFs of these certifications will be mailed to you. You can take a printout, or you can circulate this on the social media or the WhatsApp. Then for your promotional purposes, you can use this. So I hope the point is clear. Please mail us at doctor@indusviva.com. We will be happy to help on this. We will be sending you all these 4 certifications for your promotional activities. So let us start with the first product, my dear friends. Well, before that, let me tell you some of the important definitions of IndusViva's products. The first definition is preventive. IndusViva products are called as preventive products, which is nothing but prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. That is called as preventive products. They are called as holistic products. These are the products which function from head till the toe. As I told you, immunity is a concept which is there in each and every cell of your body. It is not, somewhere localized inside your body. So it is a holistic product, which is a complete product from head till the toe. It is an alternative product, which is safe alternative. It can be used along with other kind of medications as well. It is a complementary product as well. For example, it is having additional benefits. For example, if you are using eye coffee for reducing your blood sugar, automatically the blood pressure is also controlled. This is called as complementary products, or otherwise called as augmented benefits or additional benefits. This is how IndusViva's products are positioned inside the market. These are the 4 important definitions of IndusViva's products that everybody needs to know. Preventive, holistic, alternative, and complementary. Please try to use these definitions in each and every product promotion that you are doing. You have to convey this to the prospects as well as the people, the customers, what you have. That these products are not like the normal medicines that you have. These products are preventive in nature. These products are holistic in nature. These products are alternative in nature. These products are complementary in nature. This is how you need to convey the definitions of these products. I hope my point is clear to you all. So let us start with the first product, my dear friends, now. iPulse. Well, as you all know that iPulse is always my pulse. So I hope everybody's pulse rate is proper right now. So your pulse rate is proper, your blood pressure will be proper. When your blood pressure will be proper, automatically your heart functioning will be proper. Why I am telling you this point is, pulse is always related to your heart. I mean, the pulse which is there in your body is always related to your heart. At the same point of time, the product iPulse is also related to your heart. That is the reason why we have named it as iPulse, which is very close to your heart. So iPulse is the best immune boosting and antioxidant multi-fruit blend in juice form. iPulse possesses a holistic and synergistic combination of 15 fruits. This is what iPulse is all about. Well, during the Corona Zamana, we have always been talking about the the immunity part of it. But you should not forget the cardioprotective part of iPulse, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you. So antioxidants and heart health play a very important role. As I told you, iPulse is a product which is very near and dear to the heart. So antioxidants and heart health also play a very important role on this. So everybody knows what heart diseases are, but people have a lot of misinformation on this. People think heart problem means it is only heart attack. Very, very wrong. Heart attack or cardiac arrest is the end stage of a heart problem. It is not the beginning stage, it is the end stage of a heart problem. But what is the beginning stage? They are nothing but the reasons of heart disease. On the screen, whatever you are seeing right now, they are nothing but the reasons of heart disease. Starting from diabetes, addictions like smoking and tobacco, hypertension, high cholesterol, lack of exercise, unhealthy eating pattern, stress or lack of sleep, breathlessness on exertion, breathlessness or cough on lying down, swelling in the leg, puffiness of the face, excessive fatigue, bloating, and weight gain. See, whatever the points that you are seeing right now here, these are nothing but the reasons. We call them as the root causes or the reasons for heart problems. So, whenever you control these reasons for the heart problems, automatically the cardiac arrest or heart attack will not come in the future. This is how the heart attacks come in the future. So what is the importance of eye-pulse here? Whenever you are consuming eye-pulse on a regular basis, you are trying to control the reasons for the heart problems. That is very important. See, heart attack or cardiac arrest is the last stage, but all these reasons, what you are seeing on the screen, they are the reasons, they are the beginning stage. So eye-pulse is a wonderful product which can cut down, which can control these reasons so that even in the future, you will not be able to suffer from any kind of a cardiac ailment. This is what is exactly called as eye-pulse, my dear friends. We are cutting the root cause of the disease. This is very important. Disease is the different aspect. Disease is something else, but cutting the root cause of the disease is very important. That is what we are doing with the help of eye-pulse. I hope my point is clear to you. What are antioxidants? When you see this slide, antioxidants are molecules, in fact. They are capable of reducing the stress. What happens to the human body when it undergoes stress is, you develop something called as oxidative stress. Whenever the oxidative stress happens in the human body, free radicals are liberated. That is when antioxidants come into play. Whenever the free radicals are liberated inside the human body, there are natural antioxidants which are present inside the human body itself. These natural antioxidants will help in controlling the stress. But when the stress becomes too much, these natural antioxidants which are present inside the body, they will not be able to function normally. That is the reason why you have to consume antioxidants from outside. Whenever you are consuming antioxidants from outside, automatically the antioxidants which are present inside the body, their numbers will increase. This is where the importance of eye-pulse comes. Eye-pulse is actually called as a dietary antioxidant. I hope my point is clear to you. Eye-pulse is actually called as a dietary antioxidants, which means it will increase the antioxidants which are present inside your body so that the body will get the best immunity, the best resistance in order to fight against all kinds of dreadful infections in the future. I hope my point is clear to you. This is what is called as antioxidant theory. Let us go ahead, friends, now. The most important ingredient which is present in eye-pulse is called as acai berry. Acai berry is a superfruit which is found only in the Amazon rainforests of South America. It is one of the best cardiac support or heart support ingredient. It is the best antioxidant for anti-aging support. It has an ORAC score of more than 1 lakh, 1,02,700, which is 1,000 times more than that of watermelon, my dear friends. Not only this, acai berry destroys the cancer cells which are seen in most of the in vitro assays. It is a very good immune system support. It is inspired by the space drink AS10, which is given to the NASA scientists or the astronauts who are going into the space, wherein the drink is actually protecting them from all kinds of solar radiations. And in fact, this particular acai berry is used as a food supplement for centuries. And there are a lot of publications which are seen on this wonderful ingredient called as this acai berry, my dear friends. I hope the point of acai berry is known to you now. Going ahead, what is the quantity of acai berry that is used in eye-pulse? We use 14% of acai berry freeze-dried powder in eye-pulse. You are seeing a tree on the left side. What we do is we remove the fruits from the tree. We freeze these fruits to minus 80 degrees centigrade. Whenever it is freezed to minus 80 degrees centigrade, it becomes stone hard. We powder the fruits. This powder is called as the freeze-dried powder. This powder is having 100% natural elements of acai berry, and it is as fresh as the same acai berry which is found on the tree, which means whatever the quality of the acai berry fruit which is present on the tree is present in the bottle of eye-pulse, my dear friends. This is what is the importance of acai berry freeze-dried powder. This is a very novel and a very expensive and innovative technology that is actually used so far as acai berry freeze-dried powder is concerned. I hope my point is clear to you all. So 14% of acai berry is used in our product. Remaining 6% are the other fruit pulps that we are using, that I'll tell you in the next slides. So far as ORAC value is concerned, the World Health Organization gives a data that each and every human being should consume 5,000 ORAC units every day. If you want to consume 5,000 ORAC units, you have to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh organic garden fruits on a daily basis. But is it possible for an average human being to consume 3.5 kgs of organic fruits on a daily basis? Absolutely not. That is the reason why whenever you are consuming 60 ml of eye-pulse on a daily basis, you are getting 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants, not 5,000 friends, 7,000 ORAC units on a daily basis. Why I am telling you this is the remaining 2,000 units are stored in your liver. Actually, the liver in the human body is one of the biggest organs. This liver is actually called as a dustbin. You have all dustbin in your house. Similarly, the human body also has a dustbin called as liver. Whatever we are eating from here will go and accumulate in your liver. There might be good things, there might be bad things also. That is the reason why you have to purify your liver all the times. Whenever your liver is purified, automatically the body will not suffer from any kind of a disease in future. That is the reason why this 2000 ORAC units extra what we are giving you is stored in your liver. It detoxifies your liver so that the body will not suffer from any kind of a disease in future, my dear friends. This is what is the importance of iPulse and the ORAC score. So going ahead, as I told you, acai berry is 14%. There are 14 other fruits in the product. It might be pineapple, pear, blackberry, blueberry, pomegranate, strawberry, apples, kiwi fruit, white grape, cherries, bananas, concord grape, orange and mulberry. The remaining 14 fruits is equal to 6%. So acai berry was 14%, remaining fruits 6%. Totally the fruit concentration in iPulse is 20%. So how much? It is 20%. I hope the point is clear to you. If someone asks you what is the percentage of fruit present in iPulse, you can tell them 20%. So going ahead, friends, as I told you, disease is one part. The root cause of the disease is the other part. Free radicals are actually called as the root causes of the disease. These free radicals are liberated when the body undergoes stress. I think everybody is undergoing stress these days. Either staying at home or working outside, the stress is actually seen everywhere. That is the reason why when the body undergoes oxidative stress, free radicals are liberated. So whenever the free radicals are entering into the brain, the human body can have Alzheimer's disease, the Parkinson's disease, and so on. Whenever the free radicals are penetrating into the heart, you will have heart attacks, cardiac arrest, high blood pressure. Similarly, whenever the free radicals are penetrating the kidneys, you will have a lot of kidney-related issues. Whenever the free radicals are penetrating into the skin, you will have wrinkles, you will have acne, you will have dermatitis. Whenever the free radicals are affecting your joints, you will have arthritis. It might be rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis. Whenever the free radicals are affecting your immune system, you will have a lot of asthma, allergies and everything. So whenever the free radicals are affecting different parts of your body, different diseases are manifested. So free radicals are actually considered as the root causes of the diseases. So what does iPulse do? Whenever you are consuming 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, iPulse will neutralize these free radicals. These free radicals will be destroyed and neutralized, because of which the human body will not suffer from any kind of dreadful diseases or infections in the future. This is how iPulse will fight the free radicals and neutralize them. I hope my point is clarified to everybody. So going ahead, friends, there are a lot of benefits of iPulse. The first and the foremost thing is cardiovascular benefits. It strengthens the heart, it inhibits the platelet aggregation, it reduces the bad cholesterol levels. This is also very important. It has a lot of antioxidant benefits. As I told you, it protects each and every cell of the human body. It has a lot of immune boosting benefits as well. So it normally fights against the bacteria, fights against the viruses. It enhances the cellular communication. It builds the proteins as well, reduces the swelling or the inflammation also. So the next thing is, it also has a lot of anti-cancer benefits, especially improving the quality of life in cancer patients is a very important thing. The QOL, as we call, the quality of life. This is very important. So normally the cancer patients will have a lot of secondary complaints, like their digestion is improper, their metabolism is improper. In such conditions, whenever you are consuming iPulse, the secondary conditions will be minimized so that their lifestyle can be improved, their quality of life can be improved, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as anti-cancer benefits. It also has a lot of nervous system benefits, like strengthening the memory, improving the mental clarity. And the final thing, it also has a lot of anti-diabetic benefits, very important. Especially anti-diabetic benefits in the sense it combats the complications of diabetes. There are 3 important complications. 4th one is also added these days. The first complication is retinopathy, which happens inside the retina of the eyes. The second thing is neuropathy, which affects the nerves. The third thing is nephropathy, which affects the kidneys. Now, the fourth thing is also there right now. Complication is there called as enteropathy. That is the reason why most of the diabetic people have loose motions or diarrhea regularly. This is called as enteropathy. So, anti-diabetic complications can also be, people with diabetes can also use this iPulse for reducing the diabetic complications also. So, coming to the next slide, my dear friends. For diabetes people, iPulse can be definitely used, but always use 20 ml in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before dinner. This is how iPulse should be used for diabetic people. It is 20 ml twice daily, not 30 ml twice daily. I hope my point is clear to you all. So far as the blood pressure is concerned, suppose if a person is having low blood pressure, you have to give 30 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml of iPulse in the night, half an hour after dinner. This is how iPulse must be used, especially for low blood pressure patient, low hemoglobin patient, and low body weight patient. Again, I'm going to repeat this for the benefit of everyone. For low hemoglobin, for low blood pressure, for low body weight, you have to use 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. It is after food for these three conditions. For remaining conditions, it is always before food. One more thing I want to tell you here, for autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, type 1 diabetes, such conditions, you have to use 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after food only. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So far as the age limit is concerned, iPulse must be given above 1 year of age till 100 years. It should not be given below 1 year of age. Duration of intake as a part of wellness supplement, I would like to tell you all that it has to be used at least for a minimum period of 3 months, maximum as long as desired. So far as the time of intake is concerned, I would like to give you a time from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the night. This is a time, the best time to consume iPulse is this time. So preferably before food. That is what the thing is, except for some exceptions, what I told you right now, after food can be used. During pregnancy and lactation, for the first 6 months of pregnancy, iPulse can be used safely. For the last 3 months of pregnancy, it is not suggested to be used. During the lactation as well, that is during the breastfeeding, after the childbirth happens, for the first month, it should not be used. From the second month onwards, the mother can use iPulse. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So far as the directions of use is concerned, everybody knows that it should be used 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food only, except for some of the exceptions, what I told you now, except for the low BP, low hemoglobin, and low body weight conditions, as well as the the autoimmune conditions. You should use it half an hour after the food. I hope my point is clarified to everybody. So going ahead, friends, coming to the next product of Indus Viva now, iCoffee. So iCoffee, as the tagline says, it controls diabetes without compromising the authentic taste of coffee. Very important. It controls diabetes without compromising the authentic taste of coffee, which means that you have the feel of coffee, you have the taste of coffee, you have the flavor of coffee, you have the color of coffee. At the same point of time, you also have the health benefits of coffee, which is nothing but managing the sugar levels. This is what is exactly called as iCoffee. This is the reason why we consider iCoffee as a functional health beverage. We call this as a functional health beverage because it has the palatability, the sensories of coffee. At the same point of time, it also has the functional health benefits. So as you all know, friends, there are two kinds of iCoffee that we have. One is the iCoffee creamer, the second is iCoffee black. So what is the difference between iCoffee creamer and iCoffee black? This is very important. iCoffee creamer contains creamer, which is nothing but milk creamer. We call this as a non-dairy creamer. Again, I'm repeating this for the benefit of everybody. This is called as a non-dairy creamer, which means that it does not contain lactose. Well, iCoffee black does not contain the creamer. iCoffee creamer contains 11% salcital, whereas iCoffee black contains 22% salcital. iCoffee creamer can be used for all kinds of diabetes, whereas iCoffee black can be suggested for type 1 diabetes. iCoffee creamer can be used for different kinds of diabetes, whereas iCoffee black can be suggested for type 1 diabetes. So iCoffee Creamer is 15 grams, iCoffee Black is 10 grams. So these are the major differences between the two products. Going ahead, friends, what is diabetes? Diabetes is not a single disease. Diabetes is actually called as a disorder, which is a combination of 10 diseases. Why does diabetes happen? It normally happens because of increased sugar levels, because of defects in insulin production, insulin action, or both. And diabetes normally happens because of disturbances in carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. And it also, one of the major points of diabetes is, as I told, it is a disorder. The effects include long-term damage and dysfunction to the human body. It is not a short-term damage, my dear friends. It is a long-term damage and dysfunction to the whole human body. This is how the diabetes will damage the human body. So going ahead, friends, there are a lot of reasons for diabetes. First and the foremost thing is insulin resistance. Second is abnormal glucose production by the liver. In iPulse, I was telling you an example. Our liver is considered as a dustbin. So whatever we are eating is accumulating inside the liver. You know what will happen? Whatever we are eating, it will go into the liver, convert itself into sugar. This is what is exactly going to happen. Whenever it converts itself into sugar, lot and lots of sugar is produced inside the liver. This sugar will enter into the blood. This is called as blood sugar. Whenever the blood sugar increases, we call the disease as diabetes, disorder and diabetes. It is not a disease, it is a disorder called as diabetes. So, genetic susceptibility also plays a very important role, which means family history of the disease also plays an important role here. Obesity and physical inactivity. For example, if a person is obese, automatically diabetes is also affected. That is how it happens. Increasing age is also another factor. Diet plays a very important role. When a person is having a very bad diet, not a balanced diet, automatically diabetes can happen. Pre-diabetes, as I told you, my dear friends, 90% of the people do not know that they are in the early stages of diabetes or the pre-diabetes in India. That is where we need to position our products. So going ahead, India is called as the diabetic capital of the world. By 2040, 128% of Indians will be suffering from diabetes. This is what the most important thing about diabetes is all about. 128%. It is more than 100%, my dear friends. It is an alarming situation which is going to happen. So probably coronavirus will disappear. That is a different issue, but this pandemic of diabetes will never disappear from India. Because as normally I tell, we are all sweet people here. We eat a lot of sweets. It is not the sweet I am talking about. Even your rice, your wheat, or whatever it is, they are nothing but your carbohydrates or the sweet elements, which will accumulate in your liver. More and more sweet generation, sugar generation will happen there. Ultimately, the people will be prone to diabetes. That is the reason why 128% of people in India by 2040, this is a very, very dangerous statistics, my dear friends. So going ahead, as I told you, diabetes is not a single disease. Diabetes is actually called as a disorder. Starting from a simple tiredness, frequent urination, this is very important. Normally, the normal people will pass urine for 4 to 5 times in a day maximum. But a diabetic person will pass around 15 times of urine in a day. Why this happens? Because whenever the body is diagnosed with diabetes, the basal metabolic rate, we call it as BMR, will increase. Whenever the basal metabolic rate increases, we normally call this as a heat inside the body will increase. Whenever the heat increases, the heat has to be pacified. How do you pacify the heat? You have to drink a lot of water. When you drink a lot of water, what will happen? A lot of urine will pass out. That is the reason why in diabetes, people tend to drink a lot of water, they pass a lot of urine, they eat a lot of food. This is how diabetes happens. If these 3 symptoms are there, eating a lot, drinking a lot of water, peeing a lot, this is exactly called as diabetes, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. Not only this, sudden weight loss, both weight gain and weight loss, both can happen with the help with this disease of the disorder of diabetes. Wounds that not heal. Normally there will be a small wound which will heal very fast. But in case of diabetes, the wound healing is very, very much hampered. This wound can turn into a gangrene tomorrow. Once the gangrene happens, automatically the doctor will ampute the fingers and the toes. This is how the amputation also happens. This is what is exactly called as the gangrene and amputations. Always hungry, as I told you, this is called as polyphagia. Because of the increased the basal metabolic rate, people eat a lot, their appetite becomes high. This is called as the always hungry or polyphagia. Not only this, sexual problems can happen in both men and women. So because of the increased sugar levels, sexual problems will happen, because of which the infertility issues are increasing day by day. Blurry vision. So whenever the sugar levels increase to the core, your eyes are affected. This is called as retinopathy. Vaginal infections are seen in case of women. Very important. Vaginal infections not only to the vaginal part, also to the uterus. A lot of polycystic ovarian disease, PCOD problems happen because of impairment in the sugar metabolism. Whenever the sugar metabolism is impaired, because of which the PCOD, the cysts are developed, the fibroids are developed. Because of these problems only, the uterus, the pelvic inflammatory diseases as we call, is also developing. All these are the major issues, my dear friends, which can happen because of the sugar impairment. Numbness and tingling in the legs and the hands. This is called as neuropathy. Your nerves are affected inside the human body. Whenever the nerves are affected, automatically the whole pain in the body will develop. The patient will have a lot of pain, tingling, a lot of pricks and needle sensation is actually seen on the body. This can also happen because of diabetes. So all these things put together is called as diabetes. It is called as a metabolic disorder. It is not a single disease, my dear friends. It is actually called as a metabolic disorder. This is how the diabetes is categorized. So coming back to iCoffee right now, the most important ingredient which is present in iCoffee, creamer and black, is called as salsitol. Salsitol is a patented ingredient which is derived from the roots of Salacia reticulata, which is also called as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga. In fact, the salsitol is actually derived from this plant, and this is found in the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 900 to 700 BC, known for controlling the blood sugar levels. This is how exactly the salsitol is made of. You can see on the screen, salsitol is actually a root which is taken out of the plant Salacia reticulata. We call this as Ekanayakam. So going ahead, friends, not only this, iCoffee contains the other two ingredients, the coffee beans, which are taken from the premium quality coffee beans, which are taken from the Coorg region of Karnataka state in South India, which is considered to be the best coffee available in India. We have taken that, the most premium quality coffee beans, which is also known for reducing the blood sugar levels. Not only this, we are also using a third ingredient called as Mucuna pruriens. We also call this as velvet bean, which is known for healthy blood sugar support. These are the three ingredients which are present in iCoffee creamer and iCoffee black. So going ahead, friends, even the processing of coffee beans is a wonderful thing which happens in our product. What we normally do is, we take the coffee beans, we roast the coffee beans at 40 degrees centigrade for 7 to 8 hours. By doing this, we are actually controlling. By doing this, we are actually reducing, or we are totally cutting off the caffeine content which is present in the coffee beans. I hope the point is clear to you. The caffeine is totally lost. So you can easily say in the field that our coffee is non-caffeinated. Our coffee does not contain caffeine. So when the caffeine is totally destroyed, what is there in coffee then? There is something called as polyphenols, which are natural molecules which are generated in our coffee seeds. These are called as polyphenols. Polyphenols are antioxidants which are responsible for increasing your immunity. Polyphenols will increase your immunity. Whenever the immunity is increased, automatically the body will develop a lot of resistance, and this can fight against all kinds of dreadful disorders in the future. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So, iCoffee is suitable for all kinds of diabetes. Maybe it is type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes, or even pregnancy related diabetes or pre-diabetes. In all the 4 kinds of diabetes, you can definitely use iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black. iCoffee does not contain any kind of sugar in this. This is zero sugar. It can be taken for a minimum period of 3 months and maximum as long as desired. It can be taken along with other medications also safely. It can be taken along with insulin as well, without having any such problems, without having any side effects. It does not lower the sugar as compared to the conventional supplements. See, for example, when you are taking any kind of an allopathic supplement, normally what happens, it results in immediate sugar loss. We call this process as hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is always a dangerous condition which can lead to a lot of shock related issues. That is the reason why normally our products will always reduce the sugars very, gradually. This is very important. It gradually reduces the sugar so that the hypoglycemic effects will not be seen, my dear friends. This is very important. So far as a normal person is concerned, so when he or she doesn't have diabetes, you can definitely use iCoffee creamer, but you should use only one sachet in a day. That one sachet can be made into half in the morning and half in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. But one sachet in the day is enough for a normal person. So far as the directions of use are concerned, always you should mix one sachet of iCoffee with 80 to 100 ml warm water or hot water. Do not use cold water. If you use cold water, whatever the ingredients I told you, the salsitol or the coffee beans or the velvet bean, these extracts will not be solubilized inside the water. That is the reason why you should use either warm water or hot water for making this wonderful product, iCoffee. I hope the point is clarified to everybody, my dear friends. So let us go to the next product now, iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar. So iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar is called as a comprehensive weight management support bar. We call this as a comprehensive weight management support. See, iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar basically comes to you in 4 different flavors: mango, orange, vanilla, and chocolate. This particular packaging is actually called as assorted packaging. We call them as assorted packaging, wherein you will have 4 different flavors. Each flavor will be 7 in numbers. Totally, it is 28 bars. This packaging is called as assorted packaging. Going ahead, friends, there are 5 important pointers that everybody needs to know so far as iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar is concerned. First thing is low calorie. We are positioning this bar as a partial meal replacement bar, which means that you need to skip 1 meal in a day and you should consume this iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar. It has low calorie, it has synergistic actives, which I will be telling you. It is a very good weight management support. Weight management normally has 3 meanings. The first meaning is either to increase the weight, second meaning is to maintain the weight, third meaning is to reduce the weight. This is called as weight management. The fourth point is this is a fiber-rich bar, which means that most of the bars which are available in the market, they are protein-based bars. But our product is not a protein-based, rich protein-based bar. No. Our product is actually called as a fiber-rich bar. It has a lot of natural fibers. And finally, it is 100% natural. It does not have any artificial, synthetic, chemicals, preservatives, nothing. It is a 100% natural bar, my dear friends. So going ahead, similar to diabetes, overweight and obesity is also called as a metabolic disorder. We call this as a metabolic disorder. It is not a disease. It is called as a metabolic disorder, which means it is a combination of various diseases. One thing I want to tell you, everybody, people who look fat, okay, people who have a very fat image, we should not call them as overweight or obese. Okay, they are definitely overweight, but obesity symptoms are seen even in a thin person also. Even in a lean person, obesity symptoms are usually seen. I hope the point is clear to you all. Even in a lean person, the obesity symptoms are usually, sometimes it is seen. So that is the reason why just by seeing the stature of a person, we should not call them as obese. Even though they are clinically obese, but symptom-wise, it can happen in a lean person also. You can see the screen now, like diabetes, heart diseases, decrease in immunity, increased risk of cancer, osteoarthritis, asthma problems, high blood cholesterol, renal failure, sleep apnea, psychological or emotional effects, gout, low back pain, pregnancy-related effects, liver diseases, stroke. All these things are actually the reasons for overweight and obesity. They are the root causes for overweight and obesity. So whenever you are promoting iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar, you should not concentrate on only the weight, but you should tell the people that this weight management bar, whatever iSlim is there right now, is actually putting an end to all the reasons for overweight and obesity, which means that the root causes of overweight and obesity will be removed with the help of iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar. This is what is exactly called as the root causes of the disease, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, what is the composition of iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar? There are 3 important ingredients which are actually present in iSlim Flat Tummy's Bar. We call them as the synergistic botanical ingredients. The first ingredient is called as the Salacia reticulata. Salacia reticulata, we call the Salacia reticulata as Ekanayakam. It is a very good anti-diabetic ingredient. The second is called as Coleus forscoli, which is known for weight reduction. The third is sesame seeds, the black sesame seeds that we use. It is known for reducing the cholesterol levels. When you see this formulation, you can see it is an anti-diabetic. It reduces the weight. At the same point of time, it reduces cholesterol levels also. So going ahead, it also contains a lot of natural fibers, like the oats fibers and the ragi fibers. Oats, everybody knows this. Ragi fibers mainly includes the fibers of the millets. We call this as a finger millets. These fibers are usually used in the southern parts of India, especially in the states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, where people are consuming these cereals on a regular basis. So this is called as ragi or the finger millets, what we call. It also has a lot of protein concentrates, but in very minimal amounts, but still the proteins are there. It contains the soy protein, it also contains the whey protein concentrates. Soy protein, everybody knows that it comes from the soya bean, whereas whey protein comes from the milk. So these proteins are required for the weight management process, but our bar is not a protein rich bar, it is a fiber rich bar. So going ahead, friends, it also has herbal extracts. It has the goodness of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, everybody knows, it is also called as Indian ginseng. It is also having this velvet bean or kapikachu, which is a very important ingredient for reducing the weight as well as the stress also, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar formulation. So going ahead, even if a person is suffering from diabetes with overweight and obesity, you can definitely give iSlim Flat Tummies Bar because the bar does not contain sugar. So it can also be given in high and low blood pressure conditions because it does not cause any problems. Even during the pregnancy, for the first 6 months of pregnancy, you can definitely give iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. After the childbirth, the first month it should not be given. From second month onwards, this can be given safely. So regarding the thyroid issues, very important. Most of the women are suffering from hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition where the weight gain happens. Whereas there is a different kind of thyroid called as hyperthyroidism where the weight loss happens. So in case of hypothyroidism, where 98% of women who are suffering from in India, the weight gain is actually the process of the side effect of the thyroid or the hypothyroidism which happens. Even in such conditions, it is very important for you to promote this product because as a natural weight loss aid, this can be promoted there. Even in case of heart related issues, because in heart problems, normally the cholesterol is the one which causes the blocks in the heart. Even in such conditions, you can give this iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, which will prevent the further blocks in the heart. So far as the skin issues are concerned, well, especially for the loose skin conditions, after the childbirth or after the exercise or anything, the stretch marks are seen on the skin, because of which the skin actually becomes lax or loose. So even in such conditions, you can definitely use the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar without any problems. For best results, I would always suggest you to use one iSlim Flat Tummies Bar between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. by having an optional light dinner at 6 p.m. my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody. This is how you should burn the fat in the healthy way. By using the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, you are actually getting rid of the bad fat and the good fat will be retained inside the human body. It is always good fat in and bad fat out. This is what is exactly the terminology that we give for iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. I hope the points are clear to everybody. So friends, let us move ahead with the last product of the day today, the iGlow. iGlow is one of the kinds, first of its kind product as we call it. It is not second of its kind, it is first of its kind product in India. It is a consumable product in India, which is an internal cosmetic product in India. This is what is called as iGlow. You can call iGlow by two names. The first name is an internal cosmetic. The second name is Nutri Cosmetic. This is how iGlow is called. It is first of its kind product in India, which will condition your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. This is what iGlow is all about. Well, so far as iGlow is concerned, who doesn't want brighter, younger looking and healthy skin? Very important. Everybody wants brighter, younger and healthy skin. Finally, if the skin is healthy, you will have a brighter and younger looking skin also. So the first and the foremost thing here is your skin health has to be maintained. So what is beauty? Beauty is not that which is seen from outside. Beauty is that when your internal organs are beautiful, automatically we call this as beauty, my dear friends. So beauty should be undeniable. It should be beneath and beyond your skin. That is what is exactly called as beauty. This is where eye glow plays a very important role. So the beauty and wellness market in India, if you see, it is reaching 2,463.49 billion by 2024. So the beauty market in India is improving like anything. This is because even during the COVID-19 situations, if you see, my dear friends, we are using a lot of sanitizers, the masks, the gloves, etc. these days, which is mandatory, made by the government, and we should follow it. But at the same point of time, we should also take care of the skin health. Whenever the skin health is maintained, automatically the other organs of the body will also be maintained, because your skin is like a blanket. Your skin is the largest organ of the human body, which covers the internal organs. That is the reason why your skin health has to be maintained, my dear friends. So please use the sanitizers, masks, and the gloves, but at the same point of time, you should also promote the product for maintaining the skin health. Because nowadays, what the dermatologists are actually seeing is, now the dermatologists are actually understanding this. The long-term effects of using these sanitizers is making your skin dry. Whenever your skin becomes dry, your skin will be prone to all kinds of skin issues. That is the reason why it is always important to hydrate your skin, to moisturize your skin, and automatically maintain the skin health. This is how exactly eye glow is helping you. So going ahead, friends, as I told you, eye glow is categorized under something called as Nutri Cosmetics. Nutri Cosmetics is a major segment which mainly deals with the skin, nails, and hairs. But in Indus Viva, we are actually taking up only the skin health here. That is why the Nutri Cosmetics in Indus Viva is subjected to only the skin health. So addition of nutrients with herbal extracts is equal to Nutri Cosmetics. That is what is exactly called as Nutri Cosmetics. Addition of nutrients with herbal extracts is called as Nutri Cosmetics. So the major ingredient which is present in this eye glow is called as saffron, kesar or saffron. As we all know that saffron is botanically identified as Crocus sativus. In fact, saffron from Kashmir Valley is actually used in our wonderful product eye glow. In fact, the government of India has given this geographical indication tag, we call it as a GI tag, to this wonderful Kashmir saffron, stating that this is the best available 100% quality oriented saffron in the whole world. This fragrant saffron is the most expensive spice in the world also, my dear friends. So, in fact, saffron is a wonderful ingredient which nurtures your skin, moisturizes your skin, makes it blemish free and radiant. In fact, saffron is not known to us from today or yesterday. Saffron is known to us from the period of Ayurveda, dating back to 5,000 years. It is a wonderful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory ingredient, helpful for managing the acne and skin breakouts. It also hastens the process of skin recovery. This is how exactly saffron is helping us out. Not only saffron, my dear friends, the product also contains the natural plant collagen. One important thing I would like to tell you here, none of the Indus Viva products use any animal ingredients. All the Indus Viva products will use only the plant-based ingredients or the natural ingredients, my dear friends. We don't use any of the animal-based ingredients. Even the collagen that we are using in our product is natural plant collagen, which is very important for diminishing the dark spots which are present on your skin. It also contains the grape seed extract. Everybody knows what grapes are. The grape seed extract contains a wonderful natural component called as the resveratrol. Resveratrol is a wonderful antioxidant which hydrates your skin, giving you a radiant and healthy complexion. Going ahead, it also contains the kojic acid, which is a natural acid present in the seaweeds. It is present in the seaweeds, which is very effective against protecting the sun damage to the skin as well as reducing the dark spots. It also contains the licorice extract. We call this licorice as sweet root or mulai tea in Hindi. This mulai tea or sweet root is actually beneficial for skin lightening purposes. It also reduces the excess oil which is present in the skin. Excess oil in the skin will also lead to a lot of skin problems. The oil content should also be maintained, my dear friends. So going ahead, it also contains the lutein extract. The lutein is actually derived from the natural marigold flowers. So this lutein is very important for maintaining the skin hydration and elasticity. Finally, it contains the natural coenzyme Q10, which is an enzyme which is derived from the seaweeds again. This gives the energy for the skin, my dear friends. Your body is not only the part which should be energized, but your skin should also be energized. That is where the CoQ10 plays a very important role. So, what are the benefits of iGlow? It is having a very good skin lightening benefits, anti-aging benefits, anti-wrinkle benefit is very important. It moisturizes your skin, which means that it hydrates and maintains the water balance in your skin. It is a very good product for blemish control. Blemish is nothing but the scars which are present on the skin, the old scars which are present on the skin. Radiant complexion will be given. Skin damage control, especially from pollution or whatever it is, the damage control to the skin is also done by the iGlow. It is also a very good skin rejuvenation product. If I'm showing my face, it is not only the face, wherever the skin is there inside the body from head till the toe, the product works there. It is not only on the face, my dear friends. It is a very good liver detox. As I told you, your dustbin liver has to be detoxified always. That is the reason why it detoxifies your liver, it purifies your blood, so automatically it gives you the best skin health. So this skin health will be undeniable always. That is the reason why iGlow is a holistic skin health supplement product. So going ahead, friends, iGlow is excellent for all the skin types. Maybe it is dry skin, oily skin, or combination skin. It is suitable for all men, women, and kids. It is also suitable for different tonicities of the skin also, like dark tone as well as light tone also. For beneficial results, I would always like to suggest you to consume one iGlow sachet in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast and 15 minutes after dinner in the night. It is always important for you to consume 15 minutes after food. That is the reason why the absorption will happen properly. If you consume this 15 minutes before the food, the absorption will be hampered. That is the reason it should be consumed 15 minutes after the food always. It can be consumed safely for a longer duration without any side effects. It can be used as an adjuvant with other cosmetics and medications safely. I hope the point is clear. So especially for children or kids, it is always important for you to use iGlow above 6 years of age. I hope my point is clear. Above 6 years of age, iGlow should be used in children. Till 100 years, you can use that without any problems. For better results, you can also use iGlow in combination with iPulse also. This also gives wonderful results, my dear friends. So with this, I would like to end today's Know Your Product session. I hope each and every one of you who is watching this session have got the benefits of our wonderful and awesome wellness products. And I would again like to thank the management of Indus Viva for providing me an opportunity to present in front of you all to give the knowledge about our products. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Over to Ms. Baisakhi.
Thank you so much, Dr. Balu sir. Thank you for such a wonderful and enlightening session. It has been an absolute pleasure listening to you, and I'm pretty sure our distributors share the same opinion. I'm sure I'm speaking for all of us gathered here when I tell you that we wish to be a part of more of your classes and hope that will be possible in the future. Thank you, Doctor. Now, I would request all of you to please stand up from our respective seats for National Anthem before we wind up today's session.